Today, we're leveling up your adventure with these 12 next-level camping gear and gadgets. Let's get ready, set, camp. Ever spent ages wrestling with complicated tent poles? Well, not anymore. Check out the Jet Set Hub camping tent. This innovative tent boasts a super easy and fast setup. We're talking seconds, not frustrating minutes. Here's the magic. The tent has a pre-assembled frame with clever pop-up hubs. All you need to do is unfold it and voila, instant shelter. Plus it folds up neat and compact, fitting easily into the back of your car. This 3-person tent is perfect for car camping trips. It offers enough space to comfortably sleep 3 people in sleeping bags, with some extra room for your gear. It's also built to tackle the elements, with a waterproof polyester shell that protects you from rain and a UV 50+ to protect you from the sun. Say goodbye to single-use waste and upgrade to the GoBites Duo and BioDuo travel silverware. Made from food-safe nylon or plant-based resin, these utensils are PC and BPA-free, ensuring your safety while you eat. It features a minimalist design with spoon and fork ends, making it versatile for various meals. You can even connect the spoon and fork end-to-end to reach dehydrated food bags or extra deep containers. Plus, the utensils nest together for ultra-compact storage. Perfect for backpacking or a travel bag. And at just around $8, the GoBites Duo is a steal for anyone who wants a convenient and eco-friendly way to eat on the go. Looking for a cozy cuddle buddy on your next camping trip? Well, maybe not literally, but the CANWAY flannel sleeping bag is definitely a friend to have on those chilly nights. For around $50, you can now ditch the bulky sleeping bag and travel light with CANWAY. Made with 230T polyester surface material and hollow cotton filler, this sleeping bag is soft, comfortable, skin-friendly, and waterproof, ideal for relaxing after a long day of hiking, camping, or travel. Unlike some mummy bags that can feel restrictive, this one is a semi-rectangular shape, giving you plenty of space to wiggle around. Plus, the handy foot vent lets you stick your toes out if you get too warm. Fire is pretty essential for those cozy nights under the stars, roasting marshmallows and telling stories. But if you're tired of lugging around a big clunky axe, check out the WilFiks Chopping Axe. The axe has a forged carbon steel heat-treated blade, which makes it really durable and keeps it sharp for longer. You can count on it for smooth, quick splits every time. The handle is made from fiberglass and has a shock-absorbing anti-slip grip. It's cold-resistant and ergonomically shaped, so it's comfortable to use and won't slip out of your hands. Prices for the WilFiks Chopping Axe starts at around $15, which is a steal for a quality axe that won't weigh you down. Who wants to fight over who gets the only comfy chair? This double camping chair is the perfect solution for cuddle buddies who don't want to sacrifice comfort. This chair features a wide 40-inch seat and a high 19-inch backrest, offering great shoulder support and comfortable experience similar to sitting on a sofa. The armrests are adjustable, allowing you to find your perfect position. Made from 600D Oxford fabric, this chair is also durable and can support up to 440 pounds thanks to its thick-coated, heavy-duty metal frame. It's designed to last, whether you're using it indoors or outdoors. Now, the price tag might seem a little hefty at a glance. It's around $120, but for a double chair that's comfy and durable, it's a pretty sweet deal. Level up your camping preparedness with the Sahara Sailor Survival Shovel. Made from military-grade steel and aerospace-grade aluminum, this shovel is practically indestructible. It can handle digging trenches, chopping firewood, or even prying something open in an emergency. And don't be fooled by its name. This thing is a 23-in-1 survival kit. It includes a saw, bottle opener, cleaver, whistle, and a bunch of other handy tools. Basically, it's like having a Swiss Army knife for your campsite. When you're done using it, the shovel folds up nice and small, making it easy to store in your backpack or car. It even comes with a handy carrying bag. This costs around $30 with a lifetime warranty. So be prepared for anything and add this bad boy to your camping gear collection. Ever dream of having a fully functional kitchen at your campsite? Well, dream no more. The Seeutek aluminum portable outdoor camping kitchen table is basically a camp chef's dream come true. This table is massive, offering tons of space to prep food, cook your meals, and serve up a camping feast. Plus, it has 2 side tables that can be adjusted to different heights for extra prep space. Made from sturdy aluminum alloy, this table can handle all your pots, pans, and even a small camp grill. Plus, the steel windscreen helps to block wind and keeps your camp stove burning efficiently. This table also folds up nice and compact for easy storage and transport. Plus, all the parts fit neatly into a handy carrying case. Priced at $102, it's a fantastic investment for any outdoor enthusiast. Relax in comfort with the legit camping double hammock. Even if you're a hammock newbie, you'll have this set up in no time. No complicated knots or tricky maneuvers are required. This hammock is big enough to comfortably cuddle up with a friend, your significant other, or even your furry camping companion. Weighing in at just 2 pounds, this hammock won't weigh down your backpack. It even comes with a handy carrying bag for easy transport. It's currently on sale for under $20, which is a steal for a comfortable and relaxing way to spend your nights outdoors. So elevate your outdoor relaxation with the legit camping double hammock. Now, before we go on to the next gadget, I kindly ask that you take a quick minute and crush that like and subscribe button. It just helps us to be able to make more videos with awesome camping content. Thanks for taking a quick second to do that. Now, back to the gadgets. Calling all minimalists and backpackers. Looking for a grill that's as portable as your spork? Well, look no further than the YSSOA Portable Grill. This compact foldable grill is perfect for any outdoor occasion. Whether you're tailgating, picnicking, or camping, this grill sets up in seconds and is easy to carry anywhere. No need for an engineering degree to set this grill up. It unfolds in seconds and features a unique air ventilation design that gets your charcoal burning extra fast. Cleaning up after a long grilling session is a breeze. Just remove the charcoal mesh and give it a quick scrub. At just under $18, the YSSOA Portable Grill is a budget-friendly option for anyone who wants to enjoy the taste of grilled food on the go. Let's face it, accidents happen, even on the most relaxing camping trip. That's why having a quality first aid kit on hand is absolutely essential. But who wants to lug around a bulky medical cabinet? The Surviveware Comprehensive First Aid Kit is here to save the day. This kit comes stocked with a whopping 200 pieces of medical supplies, including bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and everything you need to treat minor cuts, scrapes, and burns. Made from tough, water-resistant material, this kit can handle the bumps and bruises of outdoor life. Plus, it has a handy carrying strap for easy transport. Prices start at just $30 for the mini kit, making sure you have some basic supplies on hand without breaking the bank. Upgrade your hydration on the go with this mini emergency water pump. This little powerhouse is more than just a pump. It's a multi-tool for all your outdoor adventures. This pump works with popular water filter straws like Life Straw, so you can turn virtually any water source into clean drinking water. The built-in rechargeable battery keeps the pump going for up to 3 hours, filtering a massive 180,000 milliliters. This handy pump also features a 3-speed adjustable flashlight and an SOS signal light. perfect for emergencies or nighttime adventures. The built-in 2000 mAh battery can even be used as a power bank to charge your electronic devices in a pinch. It's currently priced at $23.99, but Prime members can snag it for a steal at just $20.39. So this little device offers a lot of functionality for a great price. Keep your gear bone dry on your next kayaking adventure with the Pak Waterproof Dry Bag. Pak bags are built to withstand the elements. They're IPX8 certified, so you can trust they'll keep your gear dry even in heavy rain, or if you take an unexpected tumble in the water. Depending on the size you choose, Pak bags come with either a shoulder strap or backpack strap for comfortable carrying. The larger sizes even have a sternum strap and waist belt for added support. It even comes with a bonus IPX8 certified phone case. Perfect for keeping your phone safe and dry while you're out on the water. Prices for the Pak dry bags start at just $16, making them a phenomenal value for the quality and protection they offer. And if you love these gadgets, you are definitely going to want to check out our next video. Let us know in the comments below which gadget surprised you the most, or what you'd absolutely add to this list. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more camping content every week. We'll be back with more awesome gear so you can make the most of your time in the great outdoors. Thanks for joining us and happy camping!